Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a user, deactivate them and manage your subscription within Zoho CRM. Firstly, let me show you how to deactivate a user. You want to log into your Zoho CRM, go to the settings cog in the top right hand corner, go to general, click on users, and here you can see all your active users and other user lists here. We want to deactivate this user here, so I'm going to click on the user. Now you can either click on the deactivate button here, or if you're deactivating several users at a time, click on the little checkbox here and you can deactivate there. Now let me show you how to add a user in Zoho CRM. So on the same screen, you want to click on the blue new user button here. It's going to open up the Zoho admin panel where you can either pull a user in or add a new user. So let's create a new user to add to our Zoho CRM. We want to give them a first and last name. You want to make sure they've got an email address. And we also want to make sure that the send notification mail is checked. Once you click add, the customer will receive an email notification where they can log in. So let's click add there. We've hit an issue where we've got a limit of 2 users at the moment and we already have 2 users set up. So let's cancel out of there and go to our users tab within the directory. We're going to click on this user that we deactivated from CRM and we're just going to deactivate them completely from Zoho 1. Now if I go back into Zoho CRM and go back to the users section, let's try to add a user again here. Click on add and that should add the user. Also within here, if I cancel out, you can also go into here and add any apps that the customer will need access to. And that's how you add a user. Now, last but not least, I'd like to show you how you can manage your subscription within Zoho CRM. So go back to your Zoho CRM, click on the image just here, and you've got subscription information here. You can see that my flexible user pricing plan is for 2 users. And if we click on manage, this is going to take us to our subscription area where you can manage user licenses, upgrades, add-ons, payments, and billing, all within this little drop down here. If you found this useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow and subscribe to discover our videos as they are released. Thanks for watching.